is Imani Rochelle Talley jumping on my wonderful trampoline.
Yes.
In my booty shorts.
Oh, yeah, you know, this is kind of not good. So, my underwear, are my underwear showing?
Turn around, let me see. No, well, yeah, a little bit.
Right here?
Yeah.
I can feel it. Okay. Okay, you want to see what I can do? Look what I can do. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Pause. Here, hold that. Wait, do I have a text? No. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Oh, yeah. I got back up. Because I'm a boss.
You have a text.
I do?
Yeah.
To my mom.
I don't know. I can't do this all at the same time. No. Jeremy!
Okay. I'm done.
You gonna do me?